Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Synthetic Data Generation and Evaluation Technique for Classifiers in Data Stored Medical Applications. This is the abstract of the project. In this project, predict the asthma, like healthy and unhealthy, using the machine learning. Using some techniques like SMOTE and autoencoder to find the balance and data, and autoencoding uses the reconstruct the data. Okay, these are the pipelines. It integrates the several modules: data collection, pre-processing, class imbalance handling, model training, evaluation, and predictions. After that, using the SMOTE. SMOTE means a synthetic minority oversampling technique. It helps to balance the data. It creates the new synthetic samples. After using the three technique, SMOTE, autoencoding, incremental SMOTE, it gives the minority class representations. After that, using the random forest to classify for the predictions and performance to show the evaluating performance F1 score. Probably the prediction model also shows the assessment like healthy or asthma with the corresponding risk levels. This is the abstract. After that, move to the flow diagram. This is the flow diagram of our project. First, move into the problem identification. Using problem identification to find the healthy and non-healthy details from the default data or like inbuilt data. First, to showcase the problem identification based on the inbuilt data. After that, collect the data and pre-processing and splitting in same process, and move to the synthetic data generation. In synthetic data generation, it uses the SMOTE and autoencoder and incremental SMOTE. Okay, I already told SMOTE helps to balance the dataset and create a new synthetic samples. Autoencoder is the neural network. It reconstructs the existing systems. After that, applying the algorithm, example like random forest classifier to classify. After that, give the prediction input. Based on the input, the prediction shows the high, medium, low based on given user inputs. After, move to the Python code. This is the Python code. First, we have to identify the asthma status. This is the asthma status. Based on the dataset, it have the 900 healthy patient and 100 only have asthma. This is the class distribution and class proportion is shown in the plot. After the pie chart, to collect the data and pre-processing and using the synthetic data generation using the three technique like SMOTE, auto-encoding and incremental SMOTE. The output of the training with the original imbalanced data, it shows the accuracy and the confusion matrix and false positive rate and precision recall. After that, applying the standard SMOTE, it shows the accuracy, confusion matrix and false positive rate and recall for precision recall for standard SMOTE. After it's showing the autoencoding oversampling. This is the output of the autoencoder. It shows the accuracy, confusion matrix and false positive rate and precision recall. It using the three technique like original, standard SMOTE and autoencoder It shows the final model comparison. It's F1 recall precision and average precision. This is the some comparison based on the given techniques and shows the original, standard and autoencoder bar graph. And move to the prediction board. Here these are to get the input values. I give the input values already. Once I give the enter, it shows the asthma predictions. Based on this value, it shows the prediction. Asthma, its a risk level is medium. Then move to the web application. This is the web application of asthma prediction system. Here side we have the 4 drop downs like data upload, data analyze, model training and prediction pages. There are the 4 pages. This is the first page of the web application. Now upload the dataset. After uploading the dataset, it shows the dataset successfully loading and gives select the target column. This is the target column. After that, data preprocessing is completed. After move to the data analysis page. This is the data analysis page. Analyze the class distribution. It shows the pie chart and graph. It gives the checkbox show the data statics. This is the statics and missing values. This is the data analytics page. Then move to the model training page. Train the original imbalanced data and SMOTE model and label encoding model. Model has been trained completed. These are the trained SMOTE. Original imbalanced. This is the confusion matrix for this model. Healthy in asthma. False positive rate. Precision recall curve. Okay. After that, using this mode, model has successfully trained. I click the autoencoder. In this web application, use the 3 techniques. Still is running. Training autoencoder approaches. It will take some time to load. Model has been successfully trained. It shows the confusion matrix of this model. Okay, compare the model button. Click the button. It shows the comparison like original, standard SMOTE and autoencoder. These are the color variations based on the predictions. After that, move to the prediction page. This is the prediction page. Given the values to predict, it is the asthma healthy or unhealthy. That will check. This is the value I given here. Click the prediction button now. It shows the result. Prediction is asthma. Probability. This risk level is medium. Prediction matrix. This is the prediction part. This is the web application of asthma prediction system. Thank you.